The Earth has a total area of 57 million square miles. That's a lot of distance. A lot of distance to cover for any single telecom company. But together, we can create magic every day. Airtel's network is so big that it can cover the Earth 5 times over, and this includes 3 cables per route. As a global carrier, we offer multiple services and solutions tailored to fit particular needs. We offer customers a full suite of communication services, from voice termination to data transit, internet to satellite services, media transformation, managed services and outsourcing. And this is what enables you to create magic for your customers. Each day, Airtel creates magic in the lives of 221 million subscribers in the fast-growing markets of Middle East, Africa and the Indian subcontinent by empowering their lives and dreams. Today, we are the 5th largest telecom operator in the world. Our partnership with 600 carriers enables seamless connection even in the remotest corners of the world, and creates magic by enabling businesses to connect affordably with other businesses and customers wherever they may be in the world. Our global reach, global teams, global offices and global outlook ensure we are quick to respond to your needs. Our partnership powers emerging dreams, connects the world seamlessly into a whole. Together, we don't just carry voice, data and information, but also ideas and hopes.